CRISPR is a program that can scan and edit your genome. It's a bit new, but it's so cool. CRISPR used to build dual-core computers inside human cells. It's a neural net processor, a learning computer. That's great, isn't it? It helps us connect on a much deeper level. I almost want to say on a more human level. Technology that utilizes quantum mechanics. CRISPR is a machine learning algorithm that learns to recognize and interpret speech patterns. An entanglement-based wavelength, multiplexed quantum communication network. The idea is that the entanglement creates any wavelength to be used by all the other networks. Quantum mechanics is used to create new, super-sensitive information theoretic systems. CRISPR is very specific. It's a genome engineering tool. It basically reprograms the genetic code on a synthetic organism, so it can be created with a synthetic genome. Yes, it is controlled by the new code that came from this new genome. It's the digital code that was created by CRISPR, the original developer of CRISPR, a company that does software research. They are a very smart company. They modified the code to optimize the CRISPR for the human brain. It uses CRISPR's DNA-based approach to the genetic code. The CRISPR is a gene editing tool, as well as a tool to insert human genetic information into an organism. The gene editing process involves a genetic construct that is designed to be compatible with the intended genes. Gene-edited genes will be used to enhance human intelligence, health, and longevity. CRISPR RNA is a modified version of the ribosome, so it will be able to repair itself. Basically, the synthetic ribosome is made out of a synthetic material, and then we can use it to repair damaged cells. They're made using different types of ribosomes, so it's all organic, and they can be modified. Not entirely. It's still a part of our genes, so they can be modified by another type of genetic code. The platform will help cure neurotic generative disorders, and CRISPR will be the basis for genome therapy. The microwaves will be transmitting information. They will create a synthetic ribosome library to be used by the various nanoparticles in our bodies. We need to work on your logical process. Your brain must be programmed to process complex facts in order to function effectively. A fact that has the ability to affect your mood, your perception of time, your ability to learn. CRISPR has a mind of its own. It can't be controlled by software. It's a network of neural networks, concurrent neural net, hard data that vindicates and empirically verifies the hypothesis. That's just science.
One of the devices would be basically implanted in your skull. Put the Neuralink device in there. You put the electrode, you'd insert the electrode threads very carefully into the brain. It can interface basically anywhere in your brain.
The mark of the beast is mentioned in the Bible numerous times.
The Bible predicted in Revelation 13 what's happening in the world right now.
Beast is now going mainstream. The globalists are taking tyranny digital by microchipping humans. Watch this video to see the proof that the fulfillment of Bible prophecy is well underway.
Are already here. The microchip implants use the same technology that's in contact with credit.
And here's the mark. Friends, we cannot guess.
The mark of the beast. Some people think it's a computer chip, barcode, tattoo, vaccine, credit card, social security number, 666, and the list goes on. But if we want to know what the mark of the beast is, we must first know who the beast is.
To effect after something terrible has happened. That's correct. If that's the case for AI, and we only put it
the mark of the beast has been explained as many things.
Is Neuralink really the mark of the beast? Watch this and you tell me.
Elon Musk gave you a Neuralink, bro. Love one, by the way.
In this video, I want to warn you not to take the mark of the beast. But first, we need to answer the question, what is the mark of the beast? Well, there are two popular schools of thought. Either the mark of the beast is physical, meaning there will literally be a mark on the hands or the foreheads for all those who worship the beast. Or the second most popular school of thought is that the mark of the beast is simply spiritual, meaning it can only be seen in the spiritual realm. Now, before I surprise you all of which of these I believe the mark of the beast is...
It was already inside there. Yes. It's a little bit...
Asking AI, what is the mark of the beast?
666 is the mark of the beast. The disruptor.
Verse 666 doesn't say that anywhere in Revelation. 666 is to identify the man. It says it's the number of a man. And they maybe think it's a barcode or it's a computer chip in the forehead or in the hand.
Did you know that this is when the mark of the beast will be revealed? Many people have missed this one little fact. You see, according to the Bible, the mark of the beast does not yet exist. Now, the evolution of the technology may exist, but from an absolute biblical view, the mark of the beast does not yet exist. It is not a barcode. It's not a microchip. It is not an RFID. Government's not in control. World leaders are not in control. Groups are not in control. And the devil is not in control. The Heavenly Father is in control of all Bible prophecies. And that's because
on their hand or on their forehead. They will drink from the wine of the wrath of God.
What happens if I don't get the mark of the beast when I'm still alive? This.